Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is triangles. First, we have to learn about the perimeter and area of a triangle. Suppose a triangle, length of sides are A, B, C. Suppose a triangle, length is A, B and C. Okay. So, the perimeter equals to A plus B plus C. Okay. And area will be what? Area will be root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. So, S is what? Where S equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. S is known as semi-perimeter. Okay. Semi-perimeter of the what? Of the triangle. This formula is used for the area of the triangle where the triangles are in different sides. Okay. Now, this formula is known as Hero's formula. Formula is known as Hero's formula. In higher class, it is very important part in your maths book. Okay. Now, this is the first part. Now, second is, if B is the base, then H be the height of a triangle. So, suppose B is the base and H be the height of a triangle. In that case, area of the triangles is area of triangle equals to half into base into height, or you can say that half into base is B, height is H. Okay. Now, next one is area of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means where three sides of a triangle are equal. So, area of equilateral triangle is equal to what? Root 3 by 4 into A square. Means of side A. Means each side is A. At that time, A square means side square. Root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay. Now, fourth one is height of an equilateral triangle of a side A equals to what? Height of an equilateral triangle of side A is equals to root 3 by 2 into A. Okay. These all are the formulas. Perimeter means sum of three sides. Area, when three sides are unequal, not in equal. So at that time, semi-perimeter into semi-perimeter minus one side into semi-perimeter other side into semi-perimeter third side. Okay. And how you find the semi-perimeter? Perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2 is semi-perimeter. Now this is also known as Hero's formula. Area of the triangle whose base is B and height is H, at that time formula half into base into height is used. Equilateral triangle means whose each sides are equal, at that time root 3 by 4 into side square is the formula. And height of the equilateral triangle of side A is root 3 by 2 into A. Now, to understand this, all formulas, first we start some examples first. Okay. See, first example is given that, just need to write the board. First example is given that find the perimeter and area of a triangle whose three sides are 11 centimeter, 13 centimeter and 20 centimeter. That means let A equals to 11 centimeter, B equals to 13 centimeter and C equals to 20 centimeter. We know that perimeter equals to A plus B plus C. That means 11 plus 13 plus 20 centimeter, which is equals to what? 3 plus 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. 44 centimeter. Okay. Now next, how to find the area? Formula is what? First you have to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter S equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. A plus B plus C means 44 divided by 2 means 22 centimeter. So area equals to what? Formula is root over S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So S is 22 minus into 22 minus A is what? A is 11. 22 minus 13 into 22 minus 20. This is root. So root over 22 into 11 into 11. 22 minus 11 is 11. 13 means 9 and 20 means 2. Okay. Now LCM of 22 is 2 into 11 into 11 into 3 into 3 into 2. Now take the pair out of the root. 2 2's, there are 2 2's in the root. So we take out 1 2. 2 11 is 1 11 and 2 3 is 1 3. So if you multiply this, you got 66 and unit will be centimeter square. Okay. So area of the triangle equals to 66 centimeter square. Now next example. It is given that find the area of equilateral triangle whose sides are given. That is 5 centimeter. You know that all sides are equal, then area of the triangle formula is root 3 by 4 into side square. Right. So A equals to given 5 centimeter. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to what? Root 3 by 4 into A square. So root 3 by 4, A is 5 means 5 into 5. Right? Centimeter square. Now what will be the answer? 5 into 5 means 25. 25 root 3 by 4 meter square. Here you see in your book it is printed mistakes are there. Okay. Now next example. If the height of an equilateral triangle is 6 root 3 by 2, find its area. So you know that area height is given. Height h equals to given what? Root 3 by, given is 6 root 3. 6 root 3 centimeter square. So let side is equals to A. Okay. When side is A, so height will be what? Root 3 by 2 into A. Now see, height is given 6 root 3 equals to root 3 by 2 into A. We have to find the area. First we have to find the sides. Now A equals to what? 12 root 3 by root 3. So A equals to 12 centimeter. Therefore, area of the equilateral triangle equals to root 3 by 4 into a square means side square. So root 3 by 4, a square means 12 into 12 centimeter square. 3s are 12. So 12 into 3, what? 36. 36 root 3 centimeter square. This is your required answer. The next class we will discuss more example sums from this chapter. Till then you just understood what is the formula, different formula to find out the area of the triangles, and you just do the first starting example question in your book. Okay, thank you.